So my take profit is going to be here. So I'll get that figure and then input it right here. Okay, so that's my take profit right there. And then so assuming this, I won this trade and this price came to my take profit, therefore I'd have been exited from that same level right there. And then let's say my trade cost is $5, and then so if this price came to my zone, to my take profit, meaning how much money would I have made, since this had a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 8.5, then I'm going to multiply this times my risk, my initial risk, which was 196. So on this particular trade, I would have made 1,666. So I'd have made $1,666. Okay, so you can see that I'd have made 17% of my account right there. So you come here and then you get a screenshot, just like I showed you in on the first one. Get a screenshot like that and then input it right there, so here you can say I saw, so confirmed, let's say confirmed entry with a bearish pin bar. So this is your confirmation. So maybe confirmed entry with a bearish engulfing. So it's very important that you actually enter these things, right? So here, let's say you are really disciplined and then you actually have to stick to all your rules and everything. So you can say you come like that, okay? And then you come here. So what you're going to realize is that, okay, did I miss anything? So the date here is the 17th of April 2022, right there. So you see the process, right? It's very simple. So you must be able to do this on a consistent basis. So you'd have seen that you stick to your rules like that. And then no matter what happens over a series of trades, you're going to be absolutely profitable. That's if you have an edge in the market. However, you need to monitor yourself by monitoring all your trades like this. So let's try and input a third trade. So which trade can I look at? Let's look at GBP AUD right here. So GBP AUD, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So again, you come here. What's the time? So the time is the date. So this is just for example, guys, just to give you some perspective, guys. So don't mind about the dates. Okay. So let's say it's 15 hours right there, and then you went short, and that's GBP AUD. You're going to find difficulties, especially when looking at things like gold and indices. You can't calculate properly, so make sure you use this only for currency pairs. So the entry price for this trade was here. So again, you get your tool, your entry price. My entry was around that level. Then you come there, you get your figures right there, and then you input right here. Okay, and how much is my balance now? So you have to adjust according to the balance. So my balance is now 11,466. You just need to do that. How much losses I'm going to use? Okay, again, how much is my stop loss? 38 pips. Okay, so you come here, you go to GBP AUD. It's going to bring it right there. And then how much is my balance now? It's 11,000. How much is my balance? Let me just confirm that. 11,466. So 466. That's my balance now. still I'm going to stick to my 2% risk. However, my stop loss is now at 38 pips. Therefore, it's going to give me a different number right here. You can see right here that my risk has increased, and my lot size has also reduced, okay, because this one has been increased, right? However, my risk is 230 approximately like $230, right? So my stop loss is my lot size is 0.82. Okay, so that's my position size right there, 0.82. Okay, and what's my stop loss? Again, you come here, my stop loss is here. Okay, that's my stop loss. You copy that, you bring it here, you paste it right there. Okay, and my target, same thing. You come here, that's my target, and then you copy that, you bring it here like that. So actual exit point. So you can see that this market didn't really reach my take profit. However, I got out of the market when the market took me out from this level. So you input that as your actual exit point because I trailed my stop loss. So this is my actual exit point right there. And then how much cost? Let's just for the sake of entering, let's just say $3. So right here, you come here. Okay, so since I was taken out from there, you can see that my risk to reward ratio was about 1 to 2. Okay, so it was like 1 to 2. Therefore, if I was risking how much? How much was that? 2 229.32. Therefore, this is going to be multiplied by the risk to reward ratio, which is 2.2, according to where I was taken out, somewhere 2.2, meaning I'd have made 504. So this is the money I'd have made here, 504. Okay, so that's a positive. So you can see that I'd have made 4.4% right there. And then you come there, and then just get a screenshot. Okay, very, very important. So this is supposed to be your process every time you are trading. This is how professionals do it. For you to remain consistent, you must be able to actually have time to actually review your trades and see where you actually went from. So right here, sorry, I keep making that mistake. So you come here, you copy that, and then you go here, you paste it like that, and then you look here, how were you? So probably yes, it was a confirmed entry, you write all that. Okay, so probably I became anxious. Okay, so you write, if you're anxious, you write I was anxious right there. Then so you say I was anxious. You have to be honest with yourself. Okay, so you do that. So you can see that you're able to actually do this very well. And then the next tab, it's going to show you something. So it will give you figures right here. So it covers like all the 12 months in the year. So right here you can have what the total number of trades that you've taken, total number of winning trades, total number of losing trades, the total number of break-even trades, and then to give you a win rate. So you can see from the 3 trades I've taken, it shows that I actually have a 67 win rate. And average winning trade is this one. Average losing trade, that's the one right there. And then the largest winning trade is there, the largest losing trade is there, average cost, total cost is there, and then total P&L and everything. So you have like everything here. So you have to use these guys. This is very, very important. So check out Discipline Trader right here. Shout out to him. This is very, very important. It's actually helping us a lot.